Hey, watchers, welcome back to yet another episode of The Unboxing. We're your host, the BaldAVGuys. We are here to talk about a device that's gonna blow your mind. The first time I looked at this unit, I said, oh my God, how come I did not think about this? It's mind-blowing. It's so simple. It's so easy to use. You're gonna see it. Like, we're gonna show you how to set it up right now, and it's, wow.
Hey, I'm back. All done.
Well, now you see what I mean. Rich, you want to tell them what we did here?
That's it. Slapped it on with some double-sided tape, uncoil, no more walking off with cables, no more help desk tickets, no more issues, and it's as easy as a 30-second install.
Yeah. And
look at that beautiful logo.
Beautiful, and that's the thing. So they could engrave your logo of your institution, your whatever, no problem. Like this beautiful BaldAVGuys logo here. They also have a wall-mounted unit, so you can install this right on your wall and be nice and coiled and cable right under your TV. It's a beautiful unit. I love it. When I looked at it, I know I want it. So as you can see, again, whilst I speak, looks like Rich has wrapped up the cable.
All set.
Nicely nice, and look how beautiful. Get out of the way.
Oh, sorry.
See how nice it looks. Beautiful. Like
that.
It was never there. This is a wonderful unit, and I would say,
BaldAVGuys approved.
Hey.
Tame those AV cables. The Cable Easy Captive Cable Mount is a simple device that eliminates AV cable frustrations in classrooms, boardrooms, conference rooms, huddle spaces, and anywhere else users need to interface with cabling. Follow us on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, our YouTube page, give us some likes. Also, follow the Cable Easy guys as well.
Yeah, and order boxes of these, please.
Boxes.
Thank you.
Take care.
Take care.
Thanks for watching, everyone. And until next time, this has been a BaldAVGuys production. Take care.